This little tutorial is to show you how to access your textbook online. Anytime you access Alex, whether it's through a homework here in the weekly assignments or through a quiz, it's going to take you to the Alex website. All right, so right here, the homework is going to take us to the Alex website. The quiz here also would take us to the Alex website. Our other option, anytime you want to do this, is to actually come over to the side here and click the Alex link. All right, so when you click the Alex link, we're going to click on McGraw-Hill campus here. And again, this is a picture of our textbook. Remember, we are not doing Connect Math, so be sure you choose the Alex link right here underneath the textbook. The first time you go into Alex, it's going to take you through a tutorial for all the tools and show you how to use, the calculator and how to input your answers and whatnot. Because Alex can be a little bit picky about your answers if you try and put them in a certain way and Alex is expecting it another way. For example, if you're working a problem and the answer is the square root of 2 and you try to put the answer in Alex's 1.414, Alex may not accept it. It actually wants the square root of 2. And so the tutorial shows you how to access all of those characters and whatnot so that you can put your answers in the way that it's expecting them. Once you've gone through the tutorial, Alex is going to ask you to do the initial knowledge check. Now, this is just 25 questions. It's about statistics, and you may or may not know some of the answers. I don't expect that you would know all of them, because if you did, you probably don't belong in this class at this point. So you may know some of them, and that's great. At any point in time, if you don't know what you're doing, there is an option down here somewhere that says, I don't know how to do this problem, or I don't know, and it will just skip over that question and move on to the next one. It doesn't give you a score, but it's keeping track of the things that you know how to do and the things that you get right so that you don't have to do them again in the homeworks that come up. You'll be working on other things. So it's kind of an advantage to get as many of these correct as you can, but it's not a requirement because this is not a grade. This is kind of a baseline for the things that you know. All right, so over here on the side, you can see this says up next. This will have whatever the assignments are for the week that are coming up that you need to complete. And right now you can see I have the initial knowledge check up here, which I need to do. Now, at any time, excuse me, if you want to access your textbook, you're going to come up here, see where it says Alex. Right beside it, there is the circle with the 3 bars in it. If you click on that, right down here, you have your textbook. And if you click on that, it should bring you to the ebook, which will be the online book. Or if you want to order a printed version, you can do that as well. And that is how you find your textbook.